Namaskar. Good evening, Buenos Aires. Ambassador Patnaik, dear friends, it's really a very great pleasure to meet all of you this evening. I came here yesterday. I had some meetings today. I'll be going back tomorrow. That is my life. But in all of this, it's always a pleasure to spend time with the Indian community. Without that, no visit is actually ever done. So I'm really very thankful to you, Ambassador, for putting it together, and for all of you really taking the time out and being here with me. Uh, I have been in Spain before. I first came here about little more than 20 years ago as a tourist. A few times actually as a tourist. It was very nice. Then I had the privilege of coming with Prime Minister Modi in 2017. I've never had the good fortune of being posted here, unlike the ambassador and my other colleagues. It's something I envy them, but uh, what right now, in a way, I would say the the context has really been President Sanchez's visit to India last year, very successful visit, and the agreement between Prime Minister Modi and President Sanchez that we should make a special effort really to take this relationship forward. So, uh, my counterpart, Prime Minister Alvarez, and I have been meeting fairly regularly, and uh, this is part of that. So, uh, again, as I said, very good to be here. It's okay if I speak in English. Would you like me to switch to Hindi? Okay, all right. I feel comfortable in both. चलिए देखते हैं अगर कहीं किसी के मन में मैं पूरा शुरू करूँ या अभी तक तो ठीक है ना?
We have people from different states over here. We have people from different states over here, so it's better in English.
तो नहीं देखिए ऐसा है कि कभी कुछ लोग हैं बट सबकी आशा तो होती है चाह होती है कि हिंदी में बोले पर कुछ लोग हैं जिनको लगता है कि उनके समझ के लिए कभी अंग्रेजी की सुविधा भी होती है तो कभी कभी हम लोगों को फ्लेक्सिबल भी होना चाहिए इस विषय में तो अभी जो है आई वुड से आज मैं यहाँ स्पेन के यहाँ जो राजदूत जो है स्पेन के राजदूत उनकी सम्मेलन चल रही थी तो मुझे जो है यहाँ के विदेश मंत्री ने निमंत्रित किया कि मैं उनको संबोधित करूं और जो मुझे समझ है मुझे आई थिंक इज द फर्स्ट टाइम that a foreign ambassador has been invited to address the uh, ambassadors of Spain, global ambassadors. And I would like to talk to you later why that is so, and why that should be relevant to all of you. But before that, let me also explain a little bit कि हमारे रिश्ते जो हैं उनकी आज स्थिति क्या है तो कितनी प्रगति हुई है चुनौती क्या है संभावना क्या है तो आई लाइक टू स्पीक अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज आप लोग भी जो है इसमें हिस्सेदार हैं साझेदार भी हैं तो अगर हमको रिश्तों को आगे ले जाना है तो प्रयास सबसे ज्यादा तो आप लोगों का है हम आपको प्रोत्साहित करते हैं पर आज जो है आई वुड से रियली आवर रिलेशंस आर poised to move to the next stage. If you look at trade today, करीब करीब 10 बिलियन यूरो का ट्रेड होता है हर साल and there is a good possibility that this will increase. Ambassador has been telling me that a lot of new areas are today under consideration. और इसमें काफी विस्तार से हम लोगों की बात भी हुई थी आज वी आर लुकिंग एट areas like railways, like auto sector, clean technologies, These all offer new drones, space. These are all possibilities for greater collaboration. But there is, in a way, also developments in the world which will bring us closer. That आप जानते हैं कि आजकल दुनिया की माहौल जो है थोड़ी अस्थिरता है, अनिश्चितता है. So those countries who are close to each other, who feel that supply chains, contracts are honored, supply chains can be built, relationships can be expanded. They have the ability today really to forge closer relations. So ये जो 10 बिलियन का आज का जो व्यापार जो हो रहा है, we are very confident that ये आंकड़ा जो है in the coming days it will definitely be something which is very much higher. We in all of this, I must tell you, and this did not surprise me at all, that I heard very good words for the community. क्योंकि मिनिस्टर अल्बारेस ने पूछा कि शाम को आप क्या कर रहे हैं, so I said I'm meeting the community. So he was very effusive, said that look, you have a community whose image is very good, that they are contributing to the economy, to the society. We feel that Indian talent, Indian professionals are very welcome here. It is something I hear across the world, but every time I hear it, I feel good. So I want to thank all of you that when we say, I mean, for your foreign minister या जो हमारी जो डिप्लोमेसी जो कूटनीति होती है, what is it we try to do? We try to build the image of the country. But when that image is built by the community, जब हमारी छवि जो है भारतीय समुदाय यहाँ की बनाती है, that for us is like I would say really a big, I won't even say bonus. It is actually uski neem hai. It's a foundation on which we actually take forward our relationship. And I heard very good words. And I must say, for me, because we have just 2 days ago come out of the Pravasi Bharti Divas celebrations in India. आप जानते हैं जनवरी 9 तारीख को हर साल ये मनाया जाता है. हर 2 साल जो है हम लोगों की भारत में सम्मेलन भी होती है इस पर. And I was very glad to note, I think this year among the Samarth awardees, there is an awardee from Spain, Mr. Naha. And I think there was also a representative from Spain who spoke on the occasion, Mr. Mehta. So on the community side, the community has always been a support for Indian foreign policy. That is the case here also. And I take the opportunity to express my appreciation and gratitude. Is actually our ideas that India is today seen as contributing to a global conversation. That when the world is looking at many, many challenges, कहीं ना कहीं on different issues हमारे यहाँ से कुछ आइडियाज आती हैं, कुछ इनिशिएटिव्स आती हैं, और उसका भी मैं थोड़ा अगर आप लोग सुनना चाहेंगे, I would like to explain a little bit about that. So let me say a few words about the position. There are very few countries today who are in a position to talk to Russia and to Ukraine. आपने देखा होगा हाल ही में पिछले साल प्रधानमंत्री मोदी रशिया भी गए होगा, यूक्रेन भी गए थे. Who are in a position to talk to Israel and Iran. And PM Modi is able to do more. Who are in a position to be members of Quad and be members of BRICS. So this is something which is actually very, very unique. And it is unique because if you look at the world today, आज दुनिया में माने तनाव इतना ज्यादा है, अलग अलग संघर्ष हो रही है, युद्ध भी हो रहा है कोई जगह. It is a very polarized world. So in a polarized world, if there is a country which is able to, जो हम अपने यहाँ कहते थे, सबका साथ सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, we are actually able to take it into the world as well. And that is something which slowly other nations have started to understand and to value. Not, but it doesn't have to be only a conflict. You know, हम लोगों की अध्यक्षता से G20 G20 जो एक एक गठन जो है जो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी टॉप 20 इकोनॉमी है स्पेन भी उस इस पे स्पेन के प्रतिनिधि तो many countries have led G20. We were the one country which was able to actually get G20 to accept African Union as a member, which has been tried for many years. But others somehow did not push it or were not able to pursue it. So we were able to push. Again, you know, कि आप लोगों को कोविड का समय से याद होगा तो now when we look at COVID, everybody says, "अरे, at least we got saved, बच के आ गए, किसी तरीके से निकल गए." Everybody thought, I got out of it. And we understand it's natural, स्वाभाविक है. But we are one of the few countries where if you go around the world, there are 100 countries, 99 countries in the world who say, if I got my vaccine, it was because of India. So even in very difficult situations, even with Spain, I will tell I remember President Sanchez having a phone call with Prime Minister Modi about hydroxychloroquine supply. So whatever we had, whatever we made, there was a willingness to do something for the world with us. So this position, that in difficult issues, in very hard times, there is this country called India, which is able to talk to different parties, which is willing to help other parties, which may have, because I tell people, आज भी मैंने कहा, we are a country still with average Indian earns 3,000 euros a year. The average income in this part of the world is what, 45%, 15 times that. So it is not a question of money or resources. At the end of the day, it is a question of heart and mind. That those who have the ability, the thinking, the sympathy to do something for the world, and those who have the credibility to become a bridge. So one reason I think today, which I could see, they wanted to deal, to understand in India, which was willing to do this. The second issue, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था कि वो क्षमता का विषय. And the fact is today we are almost a $4 trillion economy. We are doubling at a faster and faster rate. वो तो होता है वो progression. It is not automatic. But if you look at the changes today in India, I don't know how many of you go to India, how frequently. I would say at least in 2 years, everybody would have gone. Huh? 3 years? Not 3 years. तो अब अगली बार जब आप जाएंगे, अगर 3 साल बाद भी जाएंगे, to your whichever is your home place, wherever you get down, wherever you travel to your home, I guarantee you will see the difference. And you will see the difference because actually the rate of change in India today is amazing. और हम लोग जो वहाँ रहते हैं, we have actually we have adjusted to that rate of change. Even though 10 years ago, 20 years ago, that rate of change could not have been imagined. So when we, I think it was at the meeting with the minister today, हम लोग highways और रेल की बात, and I told him that we have a not idea, we have a plan to every year make 4,000 kilometers of new railway track every year. Now it is not okay, you just say we are doing it. Every day in our country, between 12 to 14 kilometers of new railway track is being made. Think about it. Every day, 28 kilometers of highway is being built. That if you look at airports, because all of you, when you go to India, samay nahi hota, you are in a hurry, you will travel to your hometown. In the last 10 years, the number of airports in our country has doubled. From 75 airports, we are now in excess of 150 airports. In many cities, which some of you would be coming from, पहले मेट्रो के बारे में सुनते थे, अब बन रहा है या बन चुका है. The number of metros have grown from 6 in 2014 to 21 today, and we have a plan to take it to 60. 60 cities of India will have a metro. So, well, this is not the India which they normally hear about, read about, think about. This was not our image before. Now, it's reflected in other areas, जो business के दुनिया से जो आते हैं, they see today that business is that much smoother. I see some of you nodding your heads. I hope this is your experience as well. And so when a country like Spain thinks of India, they क्षमता तो देखते हैं, पर वो डिमांड भी देते. उनको पता है कि इतनी ग्रोथ है तो उतने ज्यादा कंज्यूमर है, उतने ज्यादा कंज्यूमर है तो उतनी ज्यादा डिमांड बढ़ती है. And for everything in India, it may be Zara, it may be Yadro products, that today India has become a major market in the eyes of other countries. The Indian consumer also, so the Indian business comes, the Indian consumer comes, the Indian exporter comes. So in their overall scheme of things, when they look at the future, आपकी बात सुनना चाहते हैं क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं उनके मन में है there is something to learn, it is important also to relate, और क्या पता ये लोग कहीं काम आएंगे. These are actually today the sentiments of the world about us. But finally, as I said, any country is defined by what happens at home. Usually हम लोग जो हैं इकोनॉमी की बात करते हैं, कहते हैं कि ग्रोथ रेट हमारा 7% है, जैसे मैंने ये आंकड़े दिए हैं आपको. Sometimes we forget what are regular things, natural things which happen because we get used to it. One of the things which happens in our country, which happens on a scale which has never happened before, but we still get used to it, is democracy. आप सोचिए what it is like to conduct an election with 1 billion voters. Not just conduct an election. चुनाव के दौरान क्या क्या कहा जाता है. When the result comes out, how naturally and responsibly and with what grace and consensus we accept. That we take today the working of Indian democracy as natural. It is natural to us. But please look around the world and see the divisions and the accusations and the tensions which take place across the world in people's political system. So I would also say that when we do things, it's important to talk about it. So my message to you today is please do, one is something you're all doing, which is projecting our image by example. I always tell people कि दुनिया में जब लोग किसी देश के बारे में सोचते हैं, what is a country at the end of it all? It's a name. If you're studying geography, it is a map. But in the end of the day, it is actually a person from the country you went. When anybody in Spain talks of India or Indians, in their mind, there is a face. It is one of you. It is something good or bad that you have done. It is that image That experience for them is the and my sense is today, if our image in the world is rising, it is today so strong, if people think so well about us. When across the world, very frankly, आप जानते हैं कि, there's so much, feeling about immigration, but people still speak well about Indians. उनको लगता है we are performing people, we are contributing people, we are responsible people. हमारी जो मेहनत वर्क एथिक जो है we are family centric people. ये हमारी छवि है। और ये छवि आप लोगों ने बनाई। So my one first message to you is keep projecting by example. My second message is please make your friends, your colleagues at work, your customers, your suppliers, जो जिनके साथ आपका contact, please get them as much as possible in a natural way to understand and appreciate India. I'm not asking you to pakad ke lecture dena, but when you talk to them, get them get them interested. Get them interested in wherever possible. If you can get them even to visit it, you will be doing a country a great service. Because for us, I would say the more people who come to India, who know India, who follow the changes, because sometimes people's understanding what Purani सोच होती है भारत के बारे में. We want them to understand all the things. And the third, please remain in touch with India. Which I know, as I said, everybody is constantly in touch. But remain in touch means also please follow, the debates which are happening in India, the conversations which are happening in India. हमारे यहाँ, we are people, we argue about things, we discuss things, but at the end of the day, you know, when you tell people how many languages we speak, how many states there are, how many faiths there are, and then we all when at the end of the day we all still come together on everything that is important. That we are in many ways actually an example to the world that आज यहाँ यूरोपियन यूनियन की बात हो रही है. Think about it. We have been a union for 5,000 years. So to the extent we are able today to get the world to understand, get the world to have that good feeling about us, you will be helping your country. And again, as I said, for us, you are an invaluable asset. हमारे लिए, and particularly, and I say this, I have been all my working life in foreign policy. The biggest change I have seen in the last 10 years is the importance that India, government of India, people of India have put on the contribution of the national. And to that, very honestly, I would say, Prime Minister Modi is singularly responsible for it. That he has made many of us understand really how valuable a connect or a bridge you are to the world. So, as always, I thank you for your services. I thank you for doing what you are doing. And I can always say that the country is always with you. You have seen that. I don't really need to say that. And it's again a very, very great pleasure for me to have this opportunity to be with you. Thank you very much, sir, for so inspiring words.